Hey folks, the battle between the Insta360 Luna Ultra and the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 represents one of the most interesting rivalries in the compact gimbal camera market. Both devices target content creators, vloggers, travelers, and filmmakers who want stabilized footage in a pocket-sized form factor, yet they approach the challenge from very different directions. While DJI continues to refine its proven formula with the Osmo Pocket 4, Insta360 has chosen to push the category forward with a more experimental and feature-rich design that prioritizes flexibility and creative control. The most obvious distinction is the design philosophy. DJI has remained faithful to the straightforward form factor that made the Osmo Pocket series popular. The Pocket 4 features an integrated 2-inch touchscreen that can rotate between horizontal and vertical shooting modes, making it especially convenient for creators producing content for platforms such as YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. Insta360 takes a much more ambitious approach with the Luna Ultra. Its detachable 2-inch display and control module transform the camera into something entirely different. The screen can be removed and used remotely up to 20 meters away, allowing creators to monitor framing and adjust settings while standing in front of the camera. Camera hardware is another area where the Luna Ultra attempts to differentiate itself. Both cameras feature large 1-inch CMOS sensors, capable of capturing high-quality images and video with improved low-light performance compared to traditional action cameras or smartphones. The Luna Ultra gains a significant advantage through its dual camera setup. Alongside its primary 1-inch sensor, it includes a secondary telephoto camera built around a relatively large 1.3-inch sensor. This addition fundamentally changes how the camera can be used. The Osmo Pocket 4 lacks a dedicated telephoto camera and instead depends entirely on digital zoom. While DJI's image processing is generally excellent, digital zoom inevitably sacrifices some image quality as magnification increases. Video recording capabilities further highlight the different priorities of the two companies. Insta360 has focused on headline-grabbing specifications by introducing 8K video recording at 30 frames per second. DJI, meanwhile, has concentrated on practical performance rather than sheer resolution. The Osmo Pocket 4 records up to 4K at 60 FPS and offers an impressive 4K 240 FPS slow motion mode. For many content creators, high-quality slow motion may prove more useful than 8K recording. Both cameras cater to advanced users through LOG video recording formats. Insta360's 10-bit I-Log and DJI's 10-bit D-Log preserve more color and dynamic range information, allowing editors to achieve a polished, cinematic look during post-production. Artificial intelligence and subject tracking have become increasingly important features in modern cameras, and both companies have invested heavily in this area. Insta360 equips the Luna Ultra with Deep Track 5, an advanced tracking system capable of maintaining focus on moving subjects while also supporting zoom tracking, group tracking, and intelligent framing adjustments. DJI counters with Active Track 7.0, a mature and highly regarded tracking system that is consistently ranked among the best in the industry. Features like dynamic framing, spotlight follow, and gesture controls help simplify solo content creation. Storage capacity presents one of the few clear advantages for the Osmo Pocket 4. With 107 gigs of built-in storage, it offers considerably more room for footage than the Luna Ultra's 47 gigs. Pricing also plays a significant role in the comparison. At $769, the Insta360 Luna Ultra positions itself firmly in premium territory. The higher price reflects its dual camera system, detachable display technology, and ambitious feature set. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4, priced at approximately £445 in the UK, offers a more affordable entry point while still delivering many of the capabilities creators expect from a modern gimbal camera. On paper, the Luna Ultra looks like the camera pushing the category forward, while the Osmo Pocket 4 represents the refined evolution of a proven formula. Creators seeking cutting-edge functionality and greater creative freedom will likely gravitate toward Insta360's offering, whereas those who prioritize reliability, ease of use, and a more established ecosystem may find the Osmo Pocket 4 to be the safer and more practical choice. Thanks for watching. What do you think about this comparison? Write your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day, and God bless you.